Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. Today we are going to practice day 9 of our 21 days yoga practice. I hope you have been following all the videos. In case if you think like any of the videos were difficult for you, practice repeatedly once you get better and then move forward. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. And also you can follow me on Instagram with the name of Yoga for Cure. Today we are going to work on our shoulder. So the sequence has a lot of involvement of your shoulder. If you have any major injury of your shoulder, then be very careful. Practice whatever is easy for you. Do not try to do hard things. And if you're super beginner, because shoulder has been a challenging for a lot of people. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you have done your warm up as well as you have also practiced few of Surya Namaskara. So I am going to straight away warm up only for the shoulders. So stand on your knee. From here, lift your both the hands up straight. Now this is a relaxed version of raising your hands. From here, inhale, push your shoulders up. Tuck your tummy in, push your shoulders up, inhale, exhale, relax. Inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now a simple rotation back. Do a very slow rotation. Lift your hand up, open up your arms and drop it down. Lift your hands up, open up your arms, drop it down. The more slower you go, you can feel more. You can observe your shoulder while practicing. Keep breathing slow. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now from here, right hand up straight. Bend your right hand and push your elbow sort of in. You can feel a good stretch the whole part. Stay. 3, 2, observe the stretch. 1, release. Up, bend, just press your elbow in. Make sure the chest is open, don't round your shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Now bend your left elbow, so keep your hand behind and right hand to the palm. Okay, very simple. From here, try to open up your both the elbows. Basically, you're trying to get your both the elbows closer to each other. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Last one, in, out. Relax. The other side, bend your hand, palm together. In, out, in, out. 3, out, 4, out. Last one, 5, out. Now sit in Vajrasana. Keep your both the hands next to the knee, next to the thigh, basically both the legs together. Now from here, just try to lift your knee up to the chest and drop it down. So extend your shoulder. Okay. Now from here, extend up and down, up and down. 3. If you think your knee is going that up, just like lift up. If this is easy for you, that's okay. Make sure that find your comfort zone first. Down. If you are not able to lift your leg up, if you can go only till here, it's okay. But make sure that your shoulder should go up. Okay. From here, come on your 4. Knee slightly together and your wrist, your knee, your toe is in straight line. From here, you're going to extend your shoulder. It's called shoulder extension. From here, inhale, push the floor away from you. Exhale, push your shoulder in. That means you are going to take your neck in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, keep your shoulders active. Make sure that you observe the changes taking place in your shoulder. Whatever you feel, you should remember. Last one, inhale and exhale. Get your both the palm together. From here, you're going to take your right hand out and in. Here you are not moving your whole body. The moment you lift your chest up, the stretch goes to the upper back. So you won't feel a lot on your shoulder. As we are working on our shoulder sequence, I want you to stretch hand out and don't really look up, keep looking down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. 3, down, 4, down, the last one, 5, down. Same thing other side, inhale, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, and the last one, inhale and exhale. Now just drop your knee down, extend your hand, drop your head down. Now from here we're going to go to almost Ashtanga, but not really Ashtanga. We're going to swing and come up. Keep your knee together. From here, don't move your palm. Lift your hip up. Knee down, chest down. Ashtanga, swing up. Open up your shoulder. Then the child posture. Once again, look forward. Knee down, chest down. Swing, come up. Then child posture. Once again, come up. Now from here, come to Parvatasana. This posture is again, you can feel a lot of stretch in your shoulder only when you press your shoulders down. Remember to push your hip up. Keep your knee slightly bent if you want. Try to get your chest closer to the thighs and press your palm down and press your shoulder down. In this posture, if you keep pressing your shoulder down, you can feel a lot of stretch here, okay, which goes from your wrist, from your shoulder, it should move towards your spine. So try to push your hip up, hold, breathe in, breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Get your right leg in between both the palm, drop your knee down. Be very comfortable. Come on your knee, keep your both the palm on your knee. Now lift your both the hands up straight. Now your extended hands, inhale, exhale, open up your chest, don't drop your elbows in, push your elbows to the outside. 2, exhale, inhale, 3, 5, up, drop your hands down. Now from this, find a proper balance for yourself so that you don't fall. Hold. Now keep your left hand on 4 fingers or your whole hand down, depends on your height as well as your comfort zone. Now from the right hand, we're going to make a big circle. 1, down, inhale, down. If you want to make it more intense, just lift your knee off the mat. The leg will be on your toe. Now big circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Same thing opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your leg back to full plank. Now, this could be challenging for some and easy for some. So, depend on your capacity, see which one you want to choose, which posture. Now, you have to go down in Chaturanga but very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you are going to lift your chest up. If this is difficult for you, now you can drop your knee down and then you can go down on your elbows again very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come to Bhujangas. This is also difficult for you. Just drop your knee down, drop your stomach down, lie down, and then lift your chest up. So, you choose whichever works well for you, you can practice the same. Parvatasana again. Try dropping your heels down and push your hip up. Take your focus to the shoulder, bend your knee a little, push your hip up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Now, the left leg goes forward. Okay. Drop your knee down, come on your knee, be comfortable, lift your both the hands up straight. Inhale, extend your hands. Exhale, open up. 2, 3, 4, press your shoulders out. 5, down. Now, palm down. If you want to keep it easy, keep your knee down. If you want to make it more intense, lift your knee off the mat. Now, the left hand rotation. 1, 2, extend your hands while rotating. 3, 4, then 5. The opposite side. 1, extend your hands and down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your leg back. Now, while going down, pick up whatever works well for you. I would go down through Chaturanga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Bhujangas. Now, come to child posture. From here, lift your hip up on your knee, extend your hands forward. Now, from here, push your elbows down, up, down. Don't bend your elbow, try to keep your elbow on the floor. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, last one. Hold. You can drop your chin down, you can press your shoulders more down if you can. 3, 2, 1. Come to center, get your hands back. Now come to Parvatasana. Keep your knees straight, push your elbows up. Now, you're going to bend your elbow a little, you're going to swing up. Come to full plank. If that was difficult for you, you can practice this. Child posture, swing. Choose whatever works well for you. Parvatasana, bend your elbow in, swing up. Works great on your shoulder. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale. Come up. The last one. Child posture. Slowly come to center. Now slowly move your shoulders back and down, very relaxing. Go really slow, keep your eyes closed. Just rotate your shoulder very mild backwards. Now the inward. Okay, now very gentle rotation. Alex wants to practice with us, but keep your focus on the practice. The opposite side. Now out, in, out, in. Because when you do a lot of workout on particular body, you need to relax equally. Inhale up, forward and up. Down, we are cooling down now, we are relaxing our shoulder. Alright, now close your eyes, observe your shoulder for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will feel a bit of relaxed, you can feel that your shoulders are much active. You can include this in one of your regular practices, but I definitely want you to do a good warm up before you jump into this practice. I hope you got this right, and if you have any doubts, drop your doubts in your comment box, definitely will reply for that. Keep practicing and I'll see you tomorrow.